Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your Windows computer will not boot up, start or turn on, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, most of the solutions are just related to the hardware. You need to check the power supply. At times the battery may go bad, so connect the power supply directly. Okay. The next one is to check the RAM sticks because there's something called as a post test before booting your system. It will check for the RAM, it will also check for the keyboard, and then unplug all external devices. Try booting. If it doesn't work, then just connect the keyboard and try booting again, and then discharge the capacitors. Now I'll tell you what to do in this case. Switch off the computer, remove the battery, remove the power cable, and press the power button for 40 seconds straight. Okay, till all the capacitors are discharged. Then there will be no source of external power. Now connect the power supply and the battery, but keep the power supply connected, not just the battery, and then try booting it. And finally, if all of these steps don't work, then just call the tech support to fix it. I mean, I would write it better, hardware tech support. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.